Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And I know you're wondering what's going on and what's the progress is, so I got you covered. Okay, so here we go. And we do see this pattern that is still getting rejected. Rejection there, rejection here, rejection there, and there. So you were supposed to actually come above here, break it out, and try to move back up. It does make sense to go and retest this place that you've broken out of, and you really never back tested it right over there. So I can still expect that thing to happen. But now you do have a technical target. I get it. I understand that. But the thing is that this sideways movement that you're looking at is quite, intriguing, because you do have a lower support as well. So I'm going to draw the trend line, because there's a trend line forming in there as well. So you can see that sellers here, buyers there, sellers, buyers, and sellers, right? So it's the battle between the buyers and the sellers on a 1 hour time frame at the moment, and no one is winning so far. But the thing is that this progress is not really good, because when you zoom out into the 4 hour time frame, it actually creates a flag, right? So now that you're moving down like so, you've made this move down. When you're moving sideways like this, what do you do, right? Every movement has a consequence. Every action has a meaning, and that's simple. Decoding that meaning is a flag, right? So you're moving down, you're making a flag, but this flag needs a break. And when you're going to get the break to the downside, boom, you're looking for move even lower. So what's the technical target we're talking about here is from there to there, and we're looking for a big target to go down to nearly 2700 level and 2600 level, which also makes sense because, again, you do have your technical target to 2500 level. So yeah, this can totally be a flag right here in the making and going down right there. People, I do understand they have the stop losses down here, and this stop loss is potentially going to be taken away. I do believe wicks are always going to be taken out, and then move all the way to the downside, and then potentially you could have a little bit of sideways movement before we don't have a little bit of relief to the upside. And who knows, if things get even way more worse, we're looking for this coin to plunge even more down. So let's talk about some different time frames as well, like for example the weekly time frame. Now the weekly time frame does actually look just good. Okay, you do have the weekly with a little bit of a doji forming up as well, but I don't think you have to be so excited, because that doji can be easily taken away to go to the downside. So my personal recommendation to look at is the 4 hour time frame, because or maybe the daily. Let's look at the daily and what's going on with the daily. Now, yes, actually the best time frame to look at is the daily, and oh my goodness. Okay, so since I've actually turned the daily time frame on, here we go. Okay, here we go. Do you remember this flag right here? We made this flag and we met the technical target right over there. That thing is very similar to this, so history does repeat itself. Okay, but we still need a breakdown, and if you do see Jasmy trying to go down like this, you have an opportunity to trade Jasmy to go all the way to the downside. So what if Jasmy isn't pumping? If it's dumping and you're getting an opportunity, then amazing, amazing. So what's the trading opportunity on the daily? It's from there to there, and you do have a whopping technical target to go down, and you're looking for 2400. Bang on. That's the main technical target out of what? Out of this double top. Okay, so it does make sense. Everything is coming in together. One top, second top, come down, bear flag, move down, boom. So it is what it is. Hope it makes sense and you enjoy this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.